This is Vincent. Welcome to One Heart News. The Ethiopian National Defense Force on Sunday handed over to the Sudan Armed Forces 8 soldiers who were captured during border clashes between the two sides last December. The 8 Sudanese militaries, 7 soldiers and 1 officer, have been released after talks between the two sides, told Sudanese army sources. The handover took place in the border area near the Galabat, said the military official without further details about the nature of the deal struck between the two parties. The Sudanese army last December handed over to the federal army several Ethiopian soldiers. The released soldiers had been captured in Jebel Abu Tayr on December 12, when the Sudanese forces were deployed in the mountainous area. Relations between Sudan and Ethiopia are strained after the redeployment of the army on the Sudanese territory on the border areas for the first time since 1995. Prime Minister Abdallah Hamdok reiterated that Sudan does not intend to go to war with any country, and stressed that the armed forces have redeployed within the Sudanese territory. This is for today. Back to you as soon as we have more information to share.